This place is self-contained. You don't even need to leave. You have to book it in advance. It's completely free. It starts from here and it goes all to a lot of families prefer this location. We are at one of the roofs. Right behind me is a gated and guarded development built on a golf course. Now, properties here ranges from about $1 million US all the way up to 15 million US dollars. Now, a lot of influential people, politicians, celebrities, they all live here. Old money, serious wealth. But right across the street, you can get a 2-bedroom condo for just $800 a month. I'm going to bring you guys for a tour around this condo, check out the facilities, the units, the views, and why so many expat families with children are choosing this as a place to live in. Alright, while walking to the main entrance from Tropicana Golf and Country Club, yes, that's the development, that's what it's called, Tropicana Golf and Country Club. And opposite us, the condo that we are going to be checking out is called Lumi Tropicana. Now, Lumi Tropicana is built on 6 acres of land and it has about 740 units only. There's a 4-acre park filled with facilities that is available for residents to use. You also have rooftop facilities on each of the 4 towers. So yeah. And here we are at Lumi. Lumi also has a commercial center at the bottom where they have cafes, they have a pickleball court, I think about 4 pickleball courts. They have a mart, a mini mart. They have a few cafes. They have a Korean restaurant, Japanese restaurant, steak restaurant as well. We're gonna go and check it out. This place is self-contained. You don't even need to leave. There's also like a very famous cafe here. It's called Lemon Tree. A lot of people like to come here for the morning brunch. Now, why do a lot of families prefer this location, or expat families in general? It's because 2 minutes drive away, you come to St. Joseph International School, and about 5-minute drive the other way, you go to, or you will reach British International School. So yeah, you are sandwiched between 2 private and international schools. Now, important note is that foreigners cannot buy here because this is considered in Selangor, and in Selangor, the minimum purchase price for foreigners is 2 million ringgit. And the property here, the most expensive one, is only 1.5 million ringgit. Sorry guys. So you have this huge park on the outside here, also belongs to Lumi Tropicana. You have the pickleball courts here. So at night is when this place is really happening. There's like a gazebo, like what, 6 courts? Yeah. Really nice. And there's also the cafes on the inside. There's also a cafe at the front part. This entire place is called Lumi Marketplace. Now, let's go and check out the unit and then we'll check out the rooftop facilities as well as the pool. Now, there's one thing I forgot to mention. This has the longest infinity pool in Malaysia at about 180 meters. I'm going to show you that shortly. You also have a mini mart right below your condo. So this makes it super convenient for you that you don't have to go out and buy groceries. So this lift is only for the residents so that you can directly access the shops below and the restaurants below and then come up to your main lobby. So this is the main lobby for all 4 towers. So you have 4 separate lobbies basically, and the blocks are a bit confusing. You have A1, B1, Tower A2 and Tower B2. So yeah, it's a bit confusing. But let's go up and check out the unit. This is a 2-bedroom, 970 square feet. Let's go see what it has to offer. So we're going to go to Tower B2, and I just want to explain something. All the 4 towers are by itself, and then the car park is on its own on this side. So you got to take the bridge, cross over to the car park, and on the top floor of the car park is where the main facility floor is. Alright, and here we are at the unit. This is 970 square feet, 2 bedrooms. So the owner left the light on and the aircon on for us. Whew, how kind of her. So the unit just got completed. She's going to add on more TVs and more utensils and stuff for the tenants that are coming in. A Korean couple apparently are coming into this unit. So let me just show you guys around. So you have some space here. As soon as you come in from the front main door, you have the dining, you have the hall, you have like the, this is where you put the TV, and your kitchen is on this side. But what's surprising is the view actually. Full height, or almost full height window. And it's an unobstructed view of the entire KL skyline. So you can see there's KL skyline on that side. You can see PNB 118, which is the second tallest tower in the world. And TRX, it's about 25 minutes from here. So this is where you'll be cooking. Washer and dryer, the fridge. You have one toilet on the outside here. You have the second bedroom, it's on this side. And you have the master bedroom here. The master bedroom is special because you have a balcony attached to it. And you also have space for your walk-in wardrobes. So built-in cabinets here. This is nice. Small vanity counter on that side. Right, now you have your shower area here. Now let me show you the view from the balcony. Right now we are on the, I think, about 15th to 20th floor. That's the view you get. But more importantly, I want to show you guys, this is the arrangement for the towers. You have the one tower here, you have the second, third and fourth tower. It's like in an arch shape. And they all face the facility floor below. So you have a futsal court, you have a tennis court, you have a koi pond that goes all around. You have the Zen place. This is where people do yoga in the morning. You have the kids area. You have multiple barbecues for halal and non-halal food. And you have multiple, they call it gazebos. Yeah, multiple gazebos all around. And you also have rooftop facilities in each of these 4 towers. I don't know if I have access to all of it. Let me see what I can access and show you guys. Let's go. So, 2 bedrooms, $800 a month, next to 2 international schools, with full facilities, next to a very expensive and exclusive neighborhood, Tropicana. Would you get this house? Let me know down in the comments below. For now, let's go and check out what other facilities they have and also the longest infinity pool in Malaysia. Let me show you guys. It's really nice, especially at night. Alright, and this is the longest infinity pool in Malaysia. And it wraps around the 4 towers. So it starts from here and it goes all the way around it. Okay, so I'm not going to walk all the way and film everything because there's a lot of people swimming here, so it's not really nice to do that. So let's go and check out the facility floor. And this is the bridge connecting the towers to the facility floor. It's nice to have the entrance from one tower and it wraps around all the way until the 4th tower at the end. Let's check out what we got. Walking around Lumi Tropicana, I realized that there's a lot of Koreans and Japanese here. And I think it's because of the proximity to the 2 international schools. There is also the ATIS Damansara project that I think I have done a video on. ATIS Damansara, yeah, really nice, large units, 2,000 to 4,000 square feet, private lift lobby. If you guys want privacy and security, check out that video. But I don't think so you guys can buy it because I think the foreigner quota has been filled up. If you guys want to buy, you have to buy it from another foreigner. Yeah, it's a whole hassle. But yeah, there's a lot of places for you to eat. You have Tropicana Avenue just 2 minutes away. Tropicana Avenue has a lot of food, steak houses, grocery stores, all the fun stuff. Kota Damansara is 5 minutes away that side. TTDI and Bandar Utama is about 10 minutes this side. So many malls, you are connected to R Damansara, Subang Jaya, and you're very near to the main highway linking you to the north and south of Malaysia. So yeah, in terms of location, it is a great location. And of course, you're right next to multi-million-dollar bungalows. I hope you guys can see from the drone shots though. Now let's check out the gym. This is a floating gym. And you have Tropicana Golf and Country Club right there. So each tower has a name. You have the Play Tower, Action Tower, Wellness Tower, and Lifestyle Tower. So each of these towers, the rooftop has a different facility. So each tower has its own name. This is Wellness Tower. That means they have the sauna and the steam room above. And then there is the Play Tower, which means there are a lot of game rooms, pool, snooker, those kind of stuff there. A few other things. I'll try my best to see if I can visit all of it, or I'll just put some pictures on here. Alright, and we are at one of the rooftop facilities. This is the Lifestyle Tower. It is super windy up here. It's only level 17. So you have a wine and cigar room for you to host with your friends and family. You have an outdoor area for you to entertain guests or have a meal, and you also have a kitchen for you to do all the cooking. And you also have a very nice dining room. So all of these facilities, I heard that you have to book it in advance. It's completely free. As a tenant, you don't pay the maintenance fee here. The owner or landlords do. So you guys can just book it and use as you like. There's also a nice smoking area, a dedicated smoking area here. Yes, and I forgot, you also have meeting rooms that you can book. So this is one of the rooftop facilities here. You have the jacuzzi, number one. Then you have, you know what, let me just show you here. You have the male sauna, massage area, relax area, jacuzzi, gym room, and the surau as well. So the nicest place here is not just the yoga pilates zone, but is the sauna and steam room basically. So the sauna room is what we are going to check out. This is beautiful. So this is your sauna and this is your view. Ooh, it was getting too hot in the sauna. Now you guys know why expat families, foreigners, they love to rent this place. You are sandwiched between two international schools. You have a high-end area. You also have like a few shops 2 minutes down the road, Tropicana Avenue. You are very close to Bandar Utama. TTDI is 10 minutes away. You're also very nearby to Ara Damansara, another very nice local neighbourhood, very quiet and peaceful. And you basically have everything here in Tropicana. And Tropicana is about a 5-minute drive away from Kota Damansara, which I have mentioned in my videos before. Kota Damansara is another nice neighbourhood that you guys should seriously consider as well if you guys are planning to relocate to Malaysia. Now, I hope you guys have enjoyed the tour. Let me know, would you rent this place for $800 a month? I am curious. If not, what would you expect for $800 a month? I am curious. I am genuinely curious. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.